winds around 48 in Mount Charleston, around 58 at Red Rock. Southwest winds up to 5 miles an hour. These are the 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time observations for the local area on Wednesday, December 25th. At Harry Reid Airport, it was mostly sunny. The temperature was 58 degrees, the dew point 23, and the relative humidity 26%. The wind was north at 18 miles an hour.
Oh, here it is. Oh, yes.
This is a weekly test of the emergency alert system from the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Las Vegas, Nevada. This system is used to provide warnings and essential safety information during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, you would receive official information, news, or instructions from the station. This concludes the weekly test of the Southern Nevada Emergency Alert System.
All right. Second one caught on camera.
These are the 11 a.m. Pacific